BMW R1100R motorcycle didn't want to start, so I started suspecting it's the starter having an issue. And as you can see in the video, it comes out but it doesn't rotate. So it's a Valeo D6RA75. So I took the starter apart. These are the teeth that go to the flywheel, to the engine side, and this is the gears that sit on the opposite side, and these are spun by the motor that sits on the back of it. So I removed that motor. When I looked inside of the motor, I started noticing some chunks, and then look at this. What is this? It's a chunk of magnet. And I started looking inside, and there's more chunks of magnet inside. So the entire motor basically inside blew up. So I'm going to remove it some more, and I just want to see it for myself. If we take a look inside, the magnets that are surrounding to create the magnetic field for the motor are broken. There's a lot of chunks of them over here. And then if you look at the actual stator, the piece that rotates, there's damages on it in quite a few places. So there's damage here, there's damage right here, there's a whole chunk missing, and right here.